In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix Hotspot not working on your iPhone. To fix your iPhone's personal hotspot, start by ensuring that cellular data is enabled. Under Settings, select on Cellular or Mobile Services. Head to Personal Hotspot and turn on this option of Allow others to join. You can also restart both your iPhone and the device you're connecting to. If the issue persists, verify with your carrier that your plan supports the hotspot feature. You can also toggle airplane mode on and off. Try to also reset network connections. Get back to your settings and select General. Scroll down onto this option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and select on Reset All Settings. Note that this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords. Finally, check for any available iOS updates. Well, that's how easy it is to fix your personal hotspot not working on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.